Now, we all love animals that are vibrantly colourful, but they can actually, trick us into thinking that these guys are what they look like, but not all animals are. And we are kickstarting off with the first animal of the day, which is the polar bear. Now, polar bears may appear white, but actually they have jet black skin under their fur. The fur itself is actually transparent and hollow, reflecting the light to appear white. So the black is just to keep them warm from so when the sun hits, it keeps them nice and warm. That is quite impressive, that from when we look at polar bears, we think that they are, white, but they're not. They are jet black. How interesting is that? Mandrills really are one of my favorite. Again, I've got a few mammals that I do appreciate, but mandrills are one of them. So the male mandrill is the most colourful mammal with bright facial and rare colours that signal their dominance and health. How mind-blowing is that? So the more vibrant the colour, the more they have and healthier they are. How mind-blowing is that? So that's how you can tell. Amazing. Did that blow your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Now we're back at it again with the trick of animals. Parrots' feathers appear green, yellow to humans, but reflect UV light, making them look like a rainbow of shades to other birds. How mind-blowing is that? I don't know about you, but the fact that they have that ability to do that is absolutely bonkers. Guilty as charged. Now, this colourful animal, which is the peacock mantis shrimp, has over 10 colour receptors. Humans have 3 and can see a far wider spectrum of colour than humans can. How mesmerizing must that be to be able to see that many? And yes, it is very much true, but so impressive for this species alone. How mind-blowing is that? Now this you all would have known so deeply and fond of, the blue ring octopus. Now you guys should fear this animal because despite its, small size and beautiful, blue rings, this octopus is one of the ocean's most dangerous creatures, and the blue rings marks as a warning signal, that it carries venom potent enough to kill a human. But these guys are not to be messed with. So when they give you that coloration, that vibrant, it's to say, look, back off. I'm not someone to be played with. And yes, it is enough. The venom inside of it is enough to kill a human, hands down, but it is so freaking wow. Now the beautiful poison dart frog, how can I not include this special frog? The reason why they're so special is, they're not born toxic, but it's the stuff they eat that makes them toxic. So when you think about poisonous insects and stuff like that, that's what makes them poisonous. But the skin is a warning to say, hey, I don't taste very nice. You're not going to like it, But these small guys do pack a hell of a punch on them. But what fact blew you away? And, if you like more facts like this, comment below, like and subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next.